system for multiple years now, and getting rid of some of the breeding bulls is an important part of allowing space for new bulls to come into those herds and to allow new genetics to disperse within those herds. So that's the reason behind the procedure. It's something we do for multiple species. The problem we face with elephants is that they are massive, very unusual in their anatomy, and so the logistics around elephant relocation is very interesting and very challenging, and that's what we are tackling today. So the first challenge around logistics is planning. And there's always a lot of planning when it comes to wildlife relocations, but I think elephants specifically requires a number of moving parts. There are multiple NGOs involved, there are funders involved, there's obviously the game reserve crews, the ecologists that do the initial work in working out which animals need to be moved and why.
So really, any three will work.
And then on the day, all of this has to come together along with some very heavy machinery and some ingenious mechanical engineering that takes place in order to modify these procedures and make sure that we are adjusting to the challenges and improving on what we do. And so today in particular, one of the biggest challenges we are trying to overcome is how do we manipulate large elephant bulls. These animals weigh over 7,000 kilograms, and that is a huge undertaking. You will see that the most important piece of equipment that we have here today is this crane. The crane can lift 32 tons, which looks like an overkill if you're only lifting 7 tons, but in order to have the reach required to get inside thicket and lift an elephant up that might be 5 to 7 meters from the crane, you need that leverage. The other piece of equipment that is vital, which is a new piece designed during lockdown by some incredibly experienced elephant relocation specialists, is this recovery box. This has only been used 7 times in its history, and we are hoping to apply it to the relocation of 5 elephant bulls in this operation and learn from it as we go. First thing to do is to find the animal. We have people out there looking for him at the moment. What I'm busy doing is getting all the darts ready. To actually immobilize an elephant takes a relatively large amount of opioids. In our language, in this case 16 milligrams of a very potent opioid called etorphine. We mix it with another one called thiofentanyl. These drugs are at least 1,000 times more potent than morphine. And we mix them with another cocktail, a zaparone, a tranquilizer, another ingredient that you actually get in snake venom, which speeds up the absorption from darting to falling over. With those drugs in the system, generally speaking, the anesthetics are nice and stable. The longer the procedure takes, the closer they become to complications, and in some cases, as they metabolize the drug, they can start waking up while we're busy working with them. Because of all the mechanics and people around them, my job is to ensure that the animal stays down safely. We do top them up, so just before we're going to put the straps on to lift him up with his feet hanging, we give him a little top up. Moved into that recovery box asleep, and he doesn't injure anyone. You will notice as he swings into that recovery box now, someone has to walk in front of him holding his trunk so that it doesn't get bent and suffocate him. So there are moments here where, if he had to wake up suddenly, a human being inside that box, it would be catastrophic. We have to ensure that he remains asleep, but still in a physiological situation that's comfortable for him.
account managers. If you are great at speaking to clients over Zoom or Google Meets, and truck will come in, and then we're going to lift him up with his feet like we normally do, and then we're going to put some straps around his shoulders and his hindquarters. It's a new technique.
Kester Vickery is the most experienced elephant relocator in Africa, and we're very fortunate to have him and his team here today who are really in charge of all the ground logistics. We're going to take off now in the helicopter. The bull has been located nearby, fortunately. First mission is to move him with the helicopter closer to an open area. That just makes all the logistics easier, so if we can get that right, then we've really succeeded in overcoming that first problem of accessibility and getting this heavy equipment close to where the bull lands.
Get the move device to explore video.
And we want him to be able to stand, but there's only about a 20 to 30 second